What it do? Late night in the lab. You already know. Watching that boy Hashi Senju. Boy, they're jamming. Yep. In the lab. Getting it in. It's cold out there. I got my little heater going. Keeping it alright in here. Well, if I let it go too long, it'll make it hot. Then I have to cut it off. So I got the thermostat where it keep it, pretty fair in here. But that's those eyes that I was telling y'all about. It look funny on the phone. I ain't got them mounted up yet either. Like that little flashing that it's doing on the camera, it's not doing it. So I don't know. I guess it just looked like that. But I ain't got them stuck on the windshield yet. But they pretty cool. It got thousands of different kind of eyes, and you can make it say words. It got emojis, all kind of stuff. The app is on your phone. But that's pretty cool. I got the 23 by 5s, and they fit right in my windshield pretty good. So, yep. Got that dome coming along back there. That box is big. We gonna have it looking right. Trust me. Looking right and sounding right. I keep looking at all these woofers. Can't wait to see what these boys do. Got my boy BJ about ready to fire up. I already got my little test wire where I had to set my timing. Yeah. Got my belts on. Carburetor bolted. Distributor in. Wires. Fuel filter. Fuel lines ran. Electric fans in. Got a few more vacuum lines I need to run. I'm about ready to give him a test file. I really just want to see if it jump over now. I need to get a little gas. And I just need to see if I at least got the distributor already set in place. That way I know I can keep it moving. I should have did that before I neatened up all the wires, but I think I got it. Or I ought to be somewhere close so I ain't got to mess with the wires at least. Yeah, I think I might try that. Let me find the stand. Oh yeah, here we go over here. All work, no play. Let's see if we can get a spin over. Well, fire up from old BJ. All right, let me flip y'all. Y'all bear with me. Alright. Set y'all up right here. Let me find a little gas. My boy BJ wanted to be here when I fired up, but it's like 20 degrees outside. Nobody trying to come out. Everybody in the house. Oh, let me see. Is this a good can? All right. Got a little gas. Oh, yeah. Okay, people. Let's see. Got a couple of open vacuum lines. That ain't gonna really stop nothing. I just need to hear it fire. Let's see where we at with it. Okay. Let me see if we getting ignition from the inside. Okay. Got ignition from the inside. Let's put a little fuel. See if we can get a fire. Hopefully not a backfire. Let's put a little gas. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. First fire. Your BJ gonna be mad. It's all good. I saw some actual fire come out that exhaust. That boy gonna be ready. I gotta go get them donut gaskets tomorrow, so I can go and bolt up the exhaust. That was pretty good for first time fire. That was all right. First time fire. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, he ready to fire, y'all. Go put some good gas in there tomorrow if everything open back up. Oh yeah, BJ gonna trip out. We ready to hear something. That's what I'm talking about. First time fire. I'm talking about right on the money. Shoot, if this mug had gas in it, it'll probably try to stay running. And I ain't got all the vacuum lines hooked up. I ain't even got the main PCV valve hooked up. No, that's sucking in a lot of air. There go Oh, that old heater kicking on. Oh yeah, y'all. That's what I'm talking about, man. First time fire. That boy off the rip. Looking good under the hood. And it's dusty. Yeah, first time fire, baby. That boy jumped right over. Ooh. Know that car gonna run good as hell. It's already trying to run. First time. First spin over. Y'all seen it. First spin over. First time putting gas. I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy. Oh yeah. I guess tomorrow, like I said, I'll go get some gas. Put in some good gas in there. Get the thermostat. Put the top hose. Coolant. And yo, he really ready to crank up and run. Oh yeah. We in there, y'all. What time it is? I don't even know what time it is. I think it's probably about one something. I ordered these new wheels right here for my motor horse. I hope these get it done. They post to hold, I think, 1,500 pounds a piece, something like that. So they ought to be cool. Yeah, that's all I got going on right now, y'all. Boy, Richard got that motor in. We gonna be ready to fire him up tomorrow. I was finna put in my new headlights in electro. I don't know. No, I don't think they gotta be taken out when this car get painted. I think just the chrome bezel come off, so I might go ahead and put them lights in. I think we gonna start we gotta do the wood part on the roof. I got some highs coming in tomorrow. Yeah, got a lot of work to do. That's why I be up trying to balance it out. I gotta work on my car, get my stuff done, as well as other people projects. I can't just be on mine and don't be messing with everybody else's. I don't even want nobody thinking like that. Everything get touched around here. I'm telling you. Yeah, man, I'm really proud of BJ car, man. Got that timing set right. That's on the money. I ain't gotta mess with the wires, just make some adjustments. Yeah. Y'all ought to see him cranking up tomorrow if everything open. I know some of the water out there turning to ice, but it don't seem like it's that bad. Yeah, it's cool. So I guess I'll fade out. I done got some stuff done. Probably finna practice some of my welding. I can't really show y'all that on camera too much because that bright light. But I just like to practice a little bit, put a little time in and learn how to mess with the controls on the welder. That way when I do these brackets and stuff, I can kind of know what material to turn it up and turn it down and do all that there. So y'all know how that go. Other than that, I ain't really got nothing else exciting going on right now. It's just really cold. The city kind of on shutdown right now. Supposed to be over with tomorrow though. So we'll be back to normal schedule. Until then, I'll let y'all later.